He thought he was simply asking for a break from his tether. Seconds later, the judge's warning changed the entire...
Call the case of the people versus Cody Jolly. Your name, sir?
Cody Lee Jolly.
All right. I think this is people's motion.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm handling this for Ms. Willenbring. There is sensitive information in the police report that includes victims' contact information at home addresses and birthdays. So pursuant to the court rule, Ms. Willenbring would like to redact that information from the police report, but is requesting an order from the court for that effect as well.
All right. First thing, Mr. Jolly, let me just, you are going to continue to represent yourself, sir?
Yes.
All right, I just want to advise you that you are charged with that there are 2 counts on your complaint of criminal sexual conduct in the fourth degree by force or coercion. You understand that, sir?
I understand what the charges are, but never.
Okay. Sir, I have to advise you.
Okay.
You understand that?
I understand.
And that those are high court misdemeanors punishable by up to 2 years incarceration, $5,000 fine plus court costs, mandatory HIV and STD testing.
Okay.
You understand that, sir?
Yeah.
All right. Sir, you wish to continue to represent yourself. The court does have to just advise you and admonish you that I will hold you to the same standards as I would hold somebody that is licensed. You have to abide by all of the court rules, etc. You understand that? All right. And that you won't get any favoritism, and that the court is not in a position and will not assist you if there is something that you don't understand. You are going to be charged with knowing court rules and procedure. You understand that?
I do.
All right. And I would ask you, and well, I would also tell you that you do have the right, and if you'd like an opportunity to consult with either a retained lawyer or somebody from the public defender's office, the court would make that occur.
Okay.
You understand that, sir? Okay. Do you have a response to the motion from the people?
I mean, my understanding then is they're going to retract the identification of them, but I'll get the rest of the information. Is it correct?
You would get the rest. My understanding is any identifying information other than name,
okay,
like address, any phone numbers, anything along those lines would be redacted. Do you have any problem with that, sir?
No, I have no issue.
What I would indicate is that I will grant the motion as filed by the people.
Okay.
And there's also a request, I guess, that the motion hearing will be sealed and preserved for review in the result of an appeal.
I mean, yes, because that's what the court rule says. It's a funky court rule.
It is.
Because I haven't said their addresses or phone numbers out loud. It's just that the court rule says that if we're going to redact, that this hearing then becomes sealed.
Yes, it does. It does say that. So, I mean, I'll order it because that's what the court rule says. However, none of that information has been provided on this record, so the record is clear. All right.
Okay. I have a question, Your Honor. Like I said, I have no awareness even of an incident or any conflict occurring at all. I've been obedient I've been good on the tether so far. I talked with Brandon Casey, they're my case manager across the street. He thought that I wouldn't have a problem getting off after the first 30 days here.
I'm sorry.
The tether that I have. I mean, I'm a member. I haven't been in trouble. But I've been here for years. I don't have something to fight. But
So, what are you requesting?
that I get this tether off. It's only fair. I mean, I've not been in trouble at all in Ann Arbor ever since I've been here. I've been in trouble at all. Not on probation. I have nothing to do with being a trouble in the community at all or anything like that. No witnesses here, so this is just, we grant that, please.
Given the circumstances, at least as I understand them, and because I haven't heard the entirety of the case or anything,
Right, exactly.
I'm
Probable cause or anything.
going to deny your request. Bond, continue.
Why?
Excuse me?
Your Honor?
Excuse me? Sir, we're going to have a real problem if you're going to act like that in this court. I want to make it real clear. I understand you want to represent yourself. I told you I'm going to hold you to the same standards. You will not, by motion, by anything you say, disrespect anything in this court. You understand me? If there is another outburst during any of these proceedings like that in regard to my rulings, I will give you a place to stay. You do not have to worry about having a tether. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Sure.
That concludes